If you're comparing Unbounce versus Elementor to figure out which one is the best landing page software, you're in the right place. Both platforms offer great features, but there are some key differences you should know about before making a decision. I'll walk you through the pros and cons of each, and stick around to the end, because I'll be recommending a different alternative that might just be a better fit for your landing page needs. First off, let's talk about Unbounce. It's been around for a while and is known for its focus on building high-converting landing pages. The platform offers a wide range of templates, A/B testing capabilities, and a drag-and-drop editor that's easy to use. One of Unbounce's biggest advantages is its ability to integrate with other marketing tools, making it a great choice for teams with complex marketing stacks. However, that simplicity does come with a downside. Unbounce can feel a bit limiting for those who want more customization options or want to do more than just create landing pages. Now, let's switch gears to Elementor. Elementor is a WordPress plugin that allows users to design landing pages directly on their WordPress site. It's a popular choice for anyone already in the WordPress ecosystem, and it gives you a lot of flexibility with its drag-and-drop editor. The platform has some powerful features like advanced design capabilities, full access to your website, and a free version that's quite useful for people just getting started. The downside, however, is that Elementor is more complex than Unbounce, and the learning curve can be steeper, especially if you're not familiar with WordPress. Next thing to consider is pricing. Unbounce is definitely on the pricier side, with plans starting at $99 per month. While that's not unreasonable for what it offers, especially with the additional features, it might not be the best value for smaller businesses or individuals. Elementor, on the other hand, has a free version that's pretty solid, and its paid plans are relatively affordable, starting at $59 per year. If you're already running a WordPress site, Elementor's pricing can make it a better choice in terms of cost. The fourth thing to keep in mind is features. Unbounce has a great suite of tools designed for conversion optimization, including pop-ups, sticky bars, and advanced A/B testing. It also has AI-powered features like Smart Builder, which helps you design landing pages that are more likely to convert based on your goals. Elementor, while more flexible design-wise, doesn't have all of these conversion-specific tools out of the box. You'll need third-party plugins to get similar functionality, and that can be a bit of a hassle. One more thing worth mentioning is customer support. Unbounce shines in this department, offering live chat and phone support, which is perfect if you need quick help or have any issues while building your landing pages. Elementor, though it has a large community and helpful knowledge base, doesn't offer direct support unless you're on a premium plan. This might be an issue for those who need hands-on help quickly. Finally, while both Unbounce and Elementor have their strengths, there's one more option I've personally tested that could offer the best of both worlds. It's a platform that combines the ease of use and design flexibility you need, with the advanced features for landing page optimization, perfect for getting results. If you want to see how it compares to Unbounce and Elementor and enjoy a free trial, be sure to check out the link in the description. By using our link, you'll get an exclusive deal that's only available to viewers like you. So, whether you choose Unbounce, Elementor, or try the alternative I recommend, all of these tools can help you create high-converting landing pages. But if you want a more powerful, all-in-one solution that's easy to use and built for success, don't miss the free trial in the first link below.